I've had questions around what vaccine should I take? Why do I need 2 doses? And what if I don't get the second dose? What happens to me? And should I mix doses? Should I mix AstraZeneca and Pfizer and Moderna? And all these kind of questions. So let me reflect on that very quickly. The number one, we've agreed that vaccines are safe and effective. So the available vaccines right now are many. We have the ones that are approved. AstraZeneca, Moderna, Pfizer, we have J&J that's going to come, and we have a few others that are also queuing to be approved by the World Health Organization. So when you look at these vaccines, we are going to get more coming. So these are not the limited number that we are going to be using across the world. We are going to get more and more vaccines coming. Now, for many of these, we need 2 doses, almost all of them. But for one, which is called J&J, you need 1 dose. For now, that's what we understand. So, 1, if you got your first dose of AstraZeneca, you need to wait for your second dose, which is now recommended to come at the 12th week or thereabouts. Not 8 weeks as we thought earlier. Why? Because the longer you delay between the 8-12 weeks window that's allowed, the better you get in terms of protection when you get your second dose around that time. So does it mean then that when you get your first dose is not useful? No. When you get your first dose, you receive a high level of immunity, but you need the second dose to boost that, to make sure it's stronger and resides in your body longer. So the second dose is necessary, but there's no harm to your body if you don't receive the second dose. But the second dose is recommended. What about mixing vaccines? There's no science right now that tells us that you can mix AstraZeneca and Pfizer or Pfizer and Moderna. There are studies going on, and when the results of those come, we'll be able to advise you. For now, stick to 1 platform vaccine and get your 2 doses, and don't worry about your second dose. It's going to come.